Hey guys, so today we're gonna be playing Penguin Paradise, and we're gonna be playing every game mode. So yeah, let's get right into it. This game got an update about a week ago. A Christmas update.
Alright, man, I just came back from the skate park. Oh.
So yeah. Oh my god. Let me put my straps on. You gain 100 every day.
I think I might need one of those. Oh my.
Okay, so first game mode is gonna be freeze tag. So yeah, let's get right into it.
Yo, guy.
Okay, that was
Fuck
funny,
you.
but
Oh no. Hi. How you doing?
Hello.
Don't touch me.
you should have came down the slide. Look at us.
Come on,
me,
we're-
please.
You can tag me from the head.
Oh my god.
She's trying to get you. And she called Capuchin Sapusin. So I called it Sapusin.
You're making me laugh. You're not making.
Yes, she does.
Help me.
You're not helping.
Help me.
Dude, help,
Thank you.
help,
No. God damn it.
Pengu.
I'm trying to help.
Pengu, help.
me. Please, yeah,
Penguin, penguin, touch me, touch me.
Pengu.
Sleeping.
Help me.
Yes.
Come in.
No, chico. No, carones. Ala. Ala.
What is that language?
Move.
I don't have Corona. I have Corona.
I have Coloma.
That's a damn jiggle.
I have Corova.
Why me? Why?
I have the crow's
That's
ball.
all.
wanna play Capuchin? Do you wanna play Capuchin?
I have the crow's ball.
Wait,
You have it?
Bruh.
wait. Freeze penguin.
You being
Freeze
so-
penguin. Don't tag me, okay? I'm going into my settings.
I did.
I hit you above your
Who
head.
hit on you?
I know.
Who hit on you?
I hit on him.
My mom is not gay.
Option 1,
Mine is.
9.
My mom
Okay,
is
good.
already taken by a man. A real man.
Tell what this ice monkey is.
Oh, that-
A bitch. A
Bozo.
fucking bitch Karen.
No. Billy.
A fucking bitch Karen.
Come on, boy.
Come on.
No. We need to save Billy. One small
Yes,
step for
the
man.
speed glitch still works.
You can.
The speed glitch still works. Here, look at this. Look at this.
Copyright.
That's what you
Copyright.
get. Tell me.
Somebody's
hell
gonna
is
be
this?
the ice monkey.
You fucking
but,
bitch Karen.
Who is the ice monkey though?
Not Sapusin. It's Capuchin, and I called it Sapusin.
Hey.
It's like
Woo!
otherwise.
Woo!
Oh, Juke, fucking bitch, Karen, a wheeze, dogs loud. They never
Shut your
quiet
booty up,
down.
you Karen
Ugly
little
bitch
fuck.
face.
It's a trampoline.
Got please.
Boing, 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 boing,
Ben,
boing.
Ben. Hey, ice monkey. You punk.
Behind you.
Hey, you punk.
I did not want to come
Gay
to this.
ball.
Guys, I just want to jump on the trampoline.
Come on, man. You gotta go. Boing, boing,
Ben.
boing, boing,
Ben,
boing,
Ben,
boing.
Ben.
Over here. Hey, behind you. All right, well, never mind.
I'm
up
not
here.
tagging anyone today. I just want to have fun in the slide.
Bruh.
Ah!
I'm
And
just
go
gonna
to a private lobby.
Tag people.
Go to a private lobby then.
normal
Come on,
lobby.
boy.
Hey, you man.
Oof.
I dare you to jump on the trampoline and then get back on this line. I dare
Hey,
you.
who wants to do
I
a
dare you.
survival
I can
challenge?
do it.
Here, step on
I
my
can
hand.
do it.
Step on my hand. Step on my hand.
What?
Oh.
Step on my arm,
No mames, chico.
dummy.
Who's, haha,
freezer.
Did they just call him a freezer?
Yes.
Or just called a 5-year-old a freezer?
I did just call a 5-year-old a freezer. Dude.
Oh. Hello.
Let's go.
You jerk. What the? You can't. Dude, I could literally juke this. Oh, both
So
are
where's the free
fire
thing went
stick.
at? Where's the free thing went at?
Coca-Cola.
Where is the freeze thing?
So
I'll get
basically,
this jerk
there's a barrier.
Oh no, bro.
I am the most
Mama.
My
lucky
mods
person.
actually do work. My mods do work.
Okay, once I get tagged, then I'm going to next.
Hey, you jerk.
Sorry, I didn't see you there.
Hi there.
Whee.
Howdy, how's it going? No, the penguins.
Okay, guys.
This is my happy place.
Okay, guys, right after I
You
get
guys got those.
unfrozen. Let me get unfrozen, bro.
Oh, I got unfrozen.
Dumbass, I unfroze you. Elbows in, monkey.
No.
Gotta go to lobby. Oh my god. Finally.
Oh my.
Okay, so next is survival. But yeah,
Bad at Fortnite? You're bad at Fortnite. What do you mean, bro?
I don't.
You can't even.
oh my god. Wait for it.
What? This is probably the highest point, but like. Oh, dude. I have to go right there. I need to go on that tree. I have.
When you're on the tree, you're invincible.
Yeah, but I'm not weird like you, so I'm not gonna camp on the tree.
6 feet 2 winter compact. Hey yo, guys.
Oh! Frick.
They're getting super close.
Help me! There are kids behind me. Yo, I just found 2 random bears. Save them!
Bears behind me.
Save them! We gotta save them. We're going.
Help me.
Bro, well,
We gotta
wait,
save them.
that's the way that I found the 2 other bears.
We gotta save them. Yo,
you've
is
been
this better than
trolling.
Capuchin? Huh? Is this better than Capuchin?
I don't think so. I like him.
Come you dumb wolves.
Maybe a little bit better.
that was close. Oh no!
Guys, I don't understand. You're meant to jump them like this. Boing. Boing.
No!
can die.
Giddy up, horsey.
You can die.
I love your puppies. Can I
What
pet them?
happens if you get
Can I pet
scared?
them?
What happens if you get dogged by him? What happens?
Nothing happens. You guys jump scared. So go test it.
Oh.
The jump scare sucks. Oh, I'm gonna say. Go over there. Go in there. Attack them.
I dare you to go through. I dare you to go.
I got you, bro. Bing, ching, jong, ding, jong, bing, bong, la 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 la. Hey, my papa bear! You don't argue with me. You only listen. Hey, yo. Hey, don't mind not. Oh.
I just jumped off and I landed on this.
I'm dying from a polar bear. Hey, guys, I love my puppy.
Insane.
I killed him.
Oh my God.
killed him.
Hey guys! Guys? I don't like it in here!
What am I seeing? What am I
You guys gotta get on top of the polar bear.
I can't be the penguin. Be the penguin.
Guys, everyone get on the polar bear at spawn. Hey, polar bear,
Let's just
you're
chill.
stupid. Polar bear, you're stupid.
Hey guys, I'm on a candy cane! I'm invincible!
Good for you. Bro, get on here. Bro, it's gonna eat you.
Everyone, get up. Get up.
Bounce off the wall right there.
And I see this.
Oh,
Yes! Yes! I'm invincible!
Oh, it's about to be run, penguin, running throughout the town.
Wee!
Watch me, Nang. Watch me whip. Watch me whip. Watch me, Nang. Watch me whip.
Oh, dang.
Oh no. Who wants to race me? Who wants to race me?
Polar bear.
No! No!
I would be. No, can't get to that.
Okay, one.
Alright,
Oh my
I'm
god.
ready to
Let's
go from
try.
the highest point up.
And then
Go speed all.
Going
speed.
down. Speed, baby.
I am speed.
That ain't good. That ain't good. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, Reggie.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, we're good.
Get you! Get you! Get you!
We'll
Get you! Somebody take them! Okay, guys, that's it for this video.
EH2.
Wait,
Can you wait? You're making a video? Oh,
so yeah, that's it for today. And subscribe and like.
You're not a YouTuber,
Bye.
though.